Julie G, this is the third and the final episode of this beautiful series from Spiti Valley in the winters. Today we are going to Langza, Hikim and Komik. These are beautiful and amazing villages from Spiti Valley. But for this amazing and exciting day, we are taking quite a slow and an easy start. We are currently in the beautiful Langza village. This village is famous for this beautiful statue of Buddha which is looking all over the village and the mighty mountains. I am currently sitting right next to the monastery in Komik, which is world's highest motorable village, and it's really cold over here, but I really love it. Very peaceful, hardly like 10 max tourists over here. It's relaxed, peaceful. So I've been here in the summer months so many times, crossing the village, meeting my friends. One of my friends, Anchuk Bhai, lives here in the village. But today we can't go over there because we are in rush. We are trying to go to many more places and check out. But it's really good to be back here in the winters and experience the beauty of Spiti. Hello G. So currently I am in Hikim. This place has the world's highest post office. Earlier I was to write a lot of letters. I have clicked a lot of such images of Spiti Valley and have converted them into postcards. There's another one I have लिखा हुआ. ये मैं नहीं दिखा सकता तुम्हें. I have lots of postcards I was to send earlier, but then life changed. I started traveling way too much and got too much consumed in the work I do. Didn't get the chance to write. But today, I'm gonna write a letter. I have written a letter earlier back in 2019, but the letter never reached. So today I'm gonna try once again. I hope this time it will reach. Let's try. So finally done with posting the letter. Now let's hope, fingers crossed, that the letter will reach to the destination. For now, we're gonna eat something from here. We have no plan of action because we thought we're gonna go Komik, Hikim and Langza. We are done with all of them. So we might go back to Kaza and shoot something over there. But indeed, wherever we go, this place is amazing. So enjoying 100%. If and only if words were enough to communicate my feelings and my emotions for the mountains, I would. इन पहाड़ों ने मुझे जिंदगी दी है, जिंदगी का मतलब दिया है और कई सारे सपने दिए हैं. उन्हीं में से एक सपना जिस पे मैं पिछले 1 से 1.5 सालों से काम कर रहा हूँ वो है मेरी अगली आने वाली किताब. इसका नाम है आई एम अ क्लाइमेट ऑप्टिमिस्ट. ऑब्वियसली नाम ही सजेस्ट करता है ये किताब क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में, जिसमें मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं लोगों को समझा पाऊँ कि कैसे हम अपनी लाइफ सस्टेनेबली जी सकते हैं नेचर के साथ में बिना उसे हार्म करें. और मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी को माउंटेन में आने का मौका मिले, आप स्पीति में आ पाएँ, लद्दाख में आ पाएँ और दुनिया के हर वो हिस्से में जा पाएँ जहाँ बहुत खूबसूरती है नेचर की और आप उसे एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएँ. ये बुक लॉन्च होगी 5 जून को, वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के दिन. अगर आप खरीद पाएँ तो प्लीज़ खरीदें और इसे पढ़ें. अभी के लिए जूली जी, मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली सुबह को. So today is the last day in Spiti Valley. We have already moved out of Kaza. Currently, I am at my last spot here in Spiti Valley. This is Tabo Monastery. It's very beautiful. And also one interesting thing which I know about this Tabo Monastery is Dalai Lama, the 14th Tenzin Gyatso, has said that once he retires, he will come back to Tabo Monastery and live the rest of his life here. And right behind me, you see these old structures. This is Tabo Monastery. So for now the idea is we're gonna get back into the car, start heading towards Shimla by the night. Then I'll be heading towards Manali back, and these two will be heading back to Delhi. Let's go. On the way, stopped to have lunch in Nagpur. जी खाना खा के कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? तृप्ति, आनंद। आकाश की शानदार ड्राइविंग और मेरे नॉनस्टॉप म्यूजिक के साथ में हम पहुंच चुके हैं कुफरी। हाँ, शिमला से थोड़ी दूर है, लेकिन यही है आज रात का हमारा स्टे। कल सुबह वापस से मिलेंगे और चलेंगे शिमला की ओर, जहां ये ट्रिप फाइनली एंड होगी। फिलहाल के लिए गुड नाइट एंड जुले, सी यू टुमारो। हेलो जी। सो फिलहाल हम हैं आकाश जी की गाड़ी में और फाइनली अब हम कुफरी से निकले हैं। ही विल बी हेडिंग टू दिल्ली बैक होम, नॉट दिल्ली प्रिसाइजली, गुड़गांव, एंड आई विल बी हेडिंग टू मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मनाली, और आई माइट लैंड अप इन कसोल फॉर अ नाइट। But yeah, I think within like half an hour or an hour, our ways will apart and we'll go on our ways. So we finally reached the same spot where he picked me up from, and now the ways apart. Julie ji, see you man.
Alright buddy.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Soon again. Okay ji, bye bye.